You know how everyone tells you what to pack for Italy? Comfy shoes, layers, a power adapter, maybe even a stylish hat if you're feeling cinematic. But no one ever says the most important thing: your mindset. And the one thing that helped me unlock it wasn't in my suitcase. Well, technically it was, but it wasn't clothes or gear. It was this: my guidebook. And not just any guidebook, not the 800-page encyclopedia of top 10 attractions, or the mass-produced thing with a stock photo of the Colosseum. I'm talking about the kind of guide that feels more like a local friend whispering secrets over an espresso. It's the reason I ended up in a village where no one spoke English, but everyone knew my name by day 3. It's the reason I skipped that 2-hour wait outside the Vatican and found a hidden courtyard where monks were singing at sunset. It's the reason I stopped rushing and started noticing. This guidebook didn't just tell me where to go. It told me when to go, why to go, and how to feel when I got there. It gave me the backstory behind a fresco in a dusty church, the shop of the man who makes handmade sandals in Bavagne, Umbria, the best cafe in Siena for people watching, and not the one on the main square. It made Italy feel alive. And more importantly, it helped me feel alive in it. Because instead of just being a tourist checking boxes, I became a traveler making memories. Now, don't get me wrong, Google Maps has its place. TripAdvisor can help sometimes. But in a land built on stories, family, and centuries of layers, I needed something human, something with taste, with rhythm, with soul. This guidebook made me look up, talk to people, take the long way around. Miss a few trains, and discover a few unexpected sunsets. And every time I think about Italy now, it's not the big-ticket sights I remember. It's the tiny bakery with the lemon cake that made me cry a little. It's the handwritten note in the guidebook margin: go at 6 p.m., light is magical. It's the joy of traveling with intention. So if you're wondering what to pack for Italy, pack curiosity, pack openness, but also pack the right guidebook. Because if you choose the right one, it won't just tell you where to go. It'll change how you go. And just maybe, it'll be the best thing you packed too. Thank you for watching this video. This video, like all our immersive Italian travel guidebooks, will assist you in seeing travel in a completely different way, to understand how to travel like a local in Italy and anywhere else, and save money. We discovered this method over a few trips staying with a variety of friends and family in Italy. The difference their methods made was the inspiration to write these guidebooks, to share our epiphany, to teach, to inform. We have had great feedback from people that have used our guidebooks, all saying what a difference they made and how they felt that they had a personal guide on board with them. This is exactly how they were intended to be. If you like the concept and think they would prove helpful, check them out in the store at theinnersecrets.com. You can get an immediate download with 50% off for a limited time, or order paperbacks from Amazon. If you found the information in this video helpful or thought-provoking, can you please subscribe to and like our channel? That is really helpful to us and free to do. Also, as we have a real lot of videos with helpful information, it will make it very easy for you to access them. Many thanks in advance and buon viaggio, Mariana.